O ka papa mea ai no ka aina awa ke o ke ia la, o ia hoi ka pipiku, ka leiki a me ka salata I ho'o makaukau ia e nā haumana hana manawa lea o Ko'olau Baptist Academy.
We have a Make a Difference Day at our school, and one of our community services was to help the women and children.
Ke kōkua o Ko'akuni ko ke ia kiko vaina lawe no nā wahine a keiki I kela me ke ia la, ma o ka ho'o makaukau ana I nā pā mea ai he e hiku haneli o ka la.
Based on how the economy is doing, a lot of people can't give back monetarily. So volunteering is a really good way of giving back to the community.
No ko Ko'olau Baptist Academy, ua kokoa aku ma ka hau mea ai, ma ka ho'ana nea pū aku I nā kanaka o leila ma ke kahi ano.
Amazing grace, amazing love.
I think it's a good way to just show them that somebody cares for them and that we're here to just share our love for them.
Ke ho'o makaukau a ho'o lako pono ni ko IHHS no ka nui po'e kokua I ana no paha ma ke ia wā kalikimaka a peia pū ko lako manaʻolana no ka nui ana e o nā 5 kokua manawa leʻa.
I think just the personal interaction of actually giving some time, seeing the guests face to face, really is heartwarming for them and for the guests.
O ia I ua pou koke ia wā launa maka aina awa kea a ole ana hoʻi poina koke ke ia mau haumana I ka lako I ike a a'o ai.
Just to see the smiles on their faces and just to know that we made a difference in their lives.
No ke kokua maka pākahi, ai ole paha maka hui, e kelepana aku no ia Leigh Smith ma ha hiku 2 walu ha lua.